Okay, going to leave the 319 now, folks. I'm not going to catch it.
Well, we're around there, and is that Kuwait? Is that Kuwait?
No, not Kuwait.
That's Kuwait, yeah. Okay. So, folks, this one was from. Don't know when. It must be October or something like that.
He'll go all the way down there, will he? That 350.
Listen to that. Listen to it.
Listen to it.
This must be that 350 taxi. So this one, I think, was off to
Oh,
Bangalore.
Brunei down there, folks.
Well, no, that's Royal Brunei touchdown.
Nice to see that back here.
There's Virgin. That's
There's
the
the
R1.
V8, folks. That's been taxied, and that 320
This one's towed, so that one's not going out, unfortunately. But this one here, we're taking that Virgin is heading to Istanbul.
Is this the one we're doing tomorrow, isn't it? Down to Shanghai, isn't it? Okay, folks, I've hired this a 777-300 to go down to Seoul tomorrow, or Los Angeles. It will be this BA 777, this one here.
So I might be doing that
BA,
next weekend,
so
folks.
This is the one we'll be taking
we'll
tomorrow,
this
down
one.
to America, to Korea.
What's your BA offer, guys?
350 guys, 350 folks. Here we go. And this is the one to Bangalore, I think. This is going to be so loud. There we go.
Stay quiet. And listen to this Airbus a350. I think. Where's this one going, GP? Do you know? Do we know where this one was off to? Was it Hong Kong? Was it JFK or
Here we go.
Dubai maybe?
This is always what you wanted to see.
Bangalore, sorry. Folks, you can't see the so I'm putting it. Like that actually. Our triple is 50 minutes out in from Hong Kong, ladies and gentlemen. Just the F1.
This might be a long run. There we go. So this one off to Bangalore. Folks. Here we go. She's running. Here we go. Come on, son. Love the 350s. Boss! Look how huge that is.
Love those sound of them going out.
V1.
If you're a fan of Match TV, folks, you probably would know that we'll be at this spot every single day when they are taking off from 09s or 27s from this spot. Oh, it's Bangalore, okay. That one that's just took off.
Nice.
So what date that was? That was super loud.
Very impressive.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Okay, this must be part 1. Part 2 next.
19.
Oh, Ben in the shot there.
398. Yeah. Oh, there goes the Virgin.
So we're on, hang on, 380 to Moscow tomorrow, folks, just a quick reminder for tomorrow's flight. At night we'll be on this, yeah, I'm guessing.
Do you want to come back to the van with me quickly? I'll go in the back of the van, and we'll come back. Please. Yeah, come in. Alright, let me... Right, folks, we're going to be back in a bit. Got wee break to do. Charge. Can I see if Hannah's got?
Wee break. Okay, that's a cut.